Hey guys, this is Gee from DragonForce and welcome to the second episode of In the Kitchen with DragonForce. Today we are going to learn how to make tiramisu. Ingredients, we start from the coffee. We have some coffee here made with mocha, and then we have sugar, we have mascarpone cheese, we have fresh eggs, we have chocolate powder, and we have Savoiardi biscuits, which in English they are called lady's finger. I've never seen like a lady with fingers big like that. So let's learn together how to make it. The first step is separate the egg white from the yolks. We're gonna grab 5 fresh eggs. So the next step is using the kitchen whisk to whisk the egg white. Until you get this point. And then we put this in the fridge for now. We're gonna use it later. The next step is mix the sugar with the egg yolks. About the sugar, it depends from your taste. For example, I like it sweet. So once the color change to like light yellow like this, we have to add mascarpone cheese. And we keep mixing. We add a little bit more. So when you use the kitchen whisk, be sure to start with the slowest speed and then improve a little bit, okay? Otherwise the stuff is gonna start like jumping around, okay? So let's get back the egg white. We have to add it inside the yolk cream. And then keep mixing. And let's add the rest. Okay. Until you get to this point. The next step is dip the lady fingers inside the coffee. And we do the first layer of cream. And then let's do same thing, but the opposite position. And then another layer. And we put it in the fridge for a couple hours. And then after 2 hours, let's do the last step, spreading chocolate powder this way. Last beat. It's good. Yeah, very good.